What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. Now, it's coming up on phone release time, right? iPhone 11, iPhone XI, whatever they want to call it. This is one of the first cases that I have gotten in for the new iPhone. It's from Armadillotek. Now, Armadillotek makes some pretty sturdy, pretty hardcore cases, guys, and I want you to see this case is just like the rest of theirs. It's hardcore, hard edges, honeycomb shape, hard backing. You got a kickstand on the back, just like that. Camera cutout on the back. Now let's talk about this actual camera cutout though, because that's what's been on a lot of people's minds dealing with this new iPhone, this square camera cutout. Now, I want you to see this up close. Notice that it's going to sink down in there. So the camera is going to be protected no matter what. These buttons on the side, we can't really tell if they're going to be nice and tactile yet, just because there's no model phone to go with this. And let's see, is there a separation? So I'm looking to see if we can separate this. And it seems, or we can. It's a brand new case, guys, so give me a moment, because I know their cases normally will allow for a separation, and I did pull it apart one time, so this is really hard to get apart, actually. Let's see, which can be a good thing. There we go. So I finally got in there. So I normally know that their cases come with two separate pieces. You're going to get this piece that actually goes around the actual phone. Plastic bezel, stretchy, bendy. But then you get this piece, this hard TPU in the back. Snaps on with the kickstand. Looks really good. Looks really protective. Looks like a tank, a shell. It's going to protect that phone, because I don't know a lot about this phone yet. I've seen pictures, don't know 100% what the specs are going to be, what the glass is going to be, if it's going to be really hard glass. I'm not sure, but really and truly, no matter what kind of glass they put on a phone, you're still going to need some type of protection, because glass is going to break when you drop it on a hard surface. Let's face it, no matter how tough the Gorilla Glass is or whatever they're using, if it drops on a hard surface, your phone is going to break without a case. So this is going to be a good addition for you to put on that case. Check the name, Armadillotek, hard shell, right here on the inside. Also, Armadillotek, they got their branding. And over here on the side, you get the, if I can get it in there, right there, you get the Vanguard seal, and you get rubber grips on the side so that phone will not slip out of your hand. But like I said, this is one of the first cases that I've gotten in. I was hoping to get a dummy model, but this is what I got. This is what I take. I appreciate Armadillotek. So first look at the iPhone 11 case. I know there are going to be 3 different variants. I think there are going to be 3 different variants, but this is just one of them, and I'm not sure exactly which model, which area this falls in, whether it's the regular one, the Max one, or the R one, what they have now. But decent case, hard backing. We'll wait and see when the phone comes out if this is going to be a protective one. So you can go by and check them out. I'll drop a link below so you can check their website out. They have phone cases for basically any phone that you can think of. But until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.